Hi everyone. Today I am going to say how to make children identify the Hindi alphabets. I will say a simple game so that you can know that whether your child is identifying the Hindi letter or not. The game starts like this. Take a paper and make some chits of all the letters and drop the chits and make him to choose one letter, one chit, so that if he sees a letter, if he identifies the letter, it's okay, or else you repeat the process. If you repeat the process several times, at last he will identify the Hindi letter, and you will know that your child is capable to understand the Hindi letter. So first of all, before doing this activity, make sure that they should observe and read the letters loudly. They should practice the Hindi letters, so that if you make them to choose randomly, if you ask any letter, if he says that one, it will be very nice. So this is a simple game. You can easily make them understand and make them nicely